up, chat? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel if you guys are new. We're on the Cbr today. We're on the way to a car show right now, which there are also going to be bikes there. I am super late. I was supposed to be there before 11:30, and the GPS says I'll get there at 12:27. Because I wasn't planning on going, you know, I was thinking about it. But now, I'm gonna just go over there, and hopefully we can go in. It's so hot outside, oh my goodness. It's super hot. I'm sweating. I have my jacket, the zipper down and shit. That's how hot it is. I'm sweating in my helmet right now and I'm moving. I mean, I'm not going fast, but still. Breeze track and field. No idea what the hell that is. 12 seconds, bro. It's so hot. At least we're 5 minutes away. Pray, chat, that they let us in. Pray, because if not, I'm gonna be so tight, and I'm gonna sneak myself in because I'm in a bike, so they can't block the entrance for me. I'll find a way in. We'll find a way in, baby. That's a horse thing? Looks like it. It looks like it, chat. Oh, and last night we were shooting some big ass flames. I've never seen my bike shoot those flames like that. It was always like baby flames. But yesterday, last night, I got 2 on video. I'm gonna post it here. Those flames were huge. I was like, oh my goodness. I wanted to my bike so bad for flames, but I hit up Two Wheel Dyno Works, and he said that they don't tune bikes for flames and stuff like that, for pops and bangs, which is unfortunate because that's what I wanted to do, but it is what it is. Oh my goodness, that's so hot, bro. It's so hot. Damn, my bike almost has 2,000 miles. Oh my goodness. Look, there's the cops over there. And I think that's where we gotta go in. But I'm gonna just make a left turn right here, if I can, instead of having to go all the way up there. I don't think I can. Fuck. Damn, there's mad cops. Fuck, I can't go in. There's cops in the entrance. There's mad cops. What the fuck? ¿Te asusta?
Desde la fila, loco.
a couple bikes in here. That's nice. People with money in here. Should have brought the Civic in and call it a day.
Yo, where's the Civic at, bro? This is a car show, bro. Where's the Civic at?
I gotta put my wheels on.
No, you don't need wheels. Just ride it like that.
Oh, hell no. There's mad people. What the fuck? Look at the popos. The popos. Let's go. Oh, I needed this wind, bro. Woo! Let me out. Alright, so I got a comment of you guys asking me a review of my clip-ons. These are the clip-ons from the 600RR, the Cbr650r. You can get them off of any, I think it's from 2007 and up. Just make sure that the fork size is 48 millimeters, and then you should be good, it'll fit. These are the 7/8. I think the 7/8 is like the angle, which is they're facing down. Because if you know the OEM ones, they go all the way up here. So these are more angled down for a more aggressive position. That's why you like lean forward a little bit more. All I need to do is just get my rear sets. I'm trying to see what rear sets I can get so I can match them and have a nice aggressive styling looking bike. And then cornering, it makes cornering a lot easier. The bike now, you just push it and it goes wherever you push it. You see? Look at that. A lot easier than before. Before it didn't really want to turn that much. But now, it goes anywhere you push it. Look at that. It's nimble now. The only issue is that now it's harder to make sharp turns at slow speeds because your hands will hit the tank. I should jump in there, right? Take a little shower right there. Oh, look at the ground. Look at the ground. No, that's not a ground. It is? No, that's a Z125. Z125. Meow, meow, meow. He telling me to go straight. Bitch, I bought this shit. Don't tell me how to ride my bike. Look at that, look at that. Let's see if we can get something nice right here. Woo! Brother! 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 I almost read the red light looking at the brothers. Oh, it's hot, bro. My balls is sweating and shit. 16, 15, 14. Oh man. Oh, I need to breathe. And drive carefully. Okay, I will. Okay, okay. Okay, I will. I promise. Oh, this shit's bumpy as fuck. Doesn't this bike sound nice? Beautiful? Listen, listen, listen. You guys can't hear the pops. Can't hear the pops. Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap for today's video. It wasn't nothing crazy. Just wanted to go out, give a little quick review on my handlebars, show you guys some cars at the show, since I couldn't take my car, so we took the bike. I'll catch you guys in the next one.